Morehu, me Joe Ward. It's a wonderful surprise to see you around here, and I'm very honoured and pleased to be a part of your guys' journey with our Morehu, with our beloved people. And I'm most honoured to take you guys around here to show you around our complex, Kii Koopu. Well, stepping back in history, my whānau have been here since the day the Dad first got his divine blessing, and we hail from Ngāti Tūwharetoa, and during those times of the blessing, they came down and settled here in Ratana Paa. My grandfather Joe Rawhiti, he was one of the bosses in here actually, and after him my dad followed him, and I followed afterwards, and hopefully my children will follow me as well. Yeah, but anyway, that's a little bit about myself. I live in Hamilton. I'm an avid avid user on Facebook to keep in contact with my people, and also my hometown, which I've lived here all my life. Without further ado, we'll go and I'll take you around and have a look at the kitchens and everything. The room that we've just come out of, which is one of the canteens, and what it is, the whānaus that look after that area, they come from Matamata, from Alparongas, and we're still waiting for them to come through at the moment. As you have a look through here is the main kitchen. The main kitchen here, the boss is Murray Dedine and Daryl Rudafie, and then we have our workers as well. Our kitchen was upgraded back in 2001, I think it was, and due to that, there were some aspects of the complex they wouldn't change due to the historical value it had. And these here are the cooking facilities that we thought we wanted to get rid of, but Historical Society came and looked and said, look, these things here that you have here were created by your people, and they're the only facilities that cook like this in history in regards to our Morehu movement. All this work here was donated by our Morehu people who were engineers from the railways, and George Kiriama was one of the fundraisers, the Tai Happy Whānau, and all of them were engineers, and they created what we have here today. This here, when opened, it can fit a whole carcass, a beast can hold that whole butt and cook in 2 hours. So it's one of the fastest things that we've got. We have our drum facility where we cook our potatoes, our porridge that our Morehu love every year, and also do the dinners and stuff. It's the only system that's in the world that, with this size drum, can boil water within 3 minutes. Yeah, it's the only one. Gas can't do it. Yeah, so this, once we turn this on, we can feed the thousands, feed the Morehu in the thousands. 45,000 people came back here, and this catered for the lot. On the side here, you see these are the gas units. Now these units here are set up to cater for the small rōpū, about 700 people, this side of it. Once our hui's come, they're all going. We have specific people that have certain duties in Kii Koopu. Murray being the head charge, and myself and Daryl, we're always with them. We wear the blue aprons, and then we have the whānau that do all the pies. This is the area where they do the cooking. They do the bread. They do the bread and the pies. They cook their fish and everything over here. This side here. And this is the side that caters for about 700 people during the off season.